This is a SuperFast application where we make a shoe directly on the foot. This is a good option if you can't nail to existing wall, or when you don't have the clean conditions required to glue on a shoe. Foot prep is similar to a glue-on. Clean and dry are the golden rules. Any black crud packed in the white line must be removed down to clean lamina. The small trench we're making here will be filled with SuperFast. Most applications like this involve a cuff layer applied to the hoof wall, so we rasp the wall clean to prepare it for bonding. Rasp the bottom to clean it, then dry with a heat gun for up to a minute. Drying is always the last thing you do before any application to the foot. Immediately after drying, apply a SuperFast bead 1/8 to 1/4 inch thick and approximately the width of a regular shoe. Moving the mixing tip in small circles allows you to control the width and the thickness at the same time. It takes a little bit of practice. SuperFast sets in 30 seconds, though we'll need to hold the foot up for 2.5 minutes before putting weight on it. Rasp the first layer after 5 minutes, or when the heat has dissipated from the material. Apply the second layer in the same manner as the first, small circular motions. Depending on conditions, this shoe will show significant wear in 3 weeks, but it may stay bonded for much longer. As long as the original application is bonded, additional layers may be added at any time. Just clean it with a rasp and add to it. Rasp to finish and balance the shoe. It is possible to make a SuperFast shoe in a single application, but it's best to do it in layers. To strengthen the bottom layer, we're going to connect it to a wall layer and provide a nice bumper. We're wire brushing to clean rather than rasping. Rasping would destroy the little ledge we've built here with the bottom layers. We've got him standing here on a foam board so we don't glue him down, and as usual, we're drying. Work a bead up onto the hoof wall to connect with the bottom layer. Typically, we make the cuff 3/8 to 1/2 inch up the wall. The only reason for making the cuff higher is if you needed to actually cast the foot. Despite its hardness, SuperFast still has some flexibility and a lot of tensile strength. A final bead along the top edge finishes our cuff. Rasp to shape after 5 minutes. These shoes can be customized any way you want. You can rocker the toe, roll the edge, rasp traction grooves on the bottom, even adjust heel angle. You can use a plastic pad as a dam if you don't have a foam board handy. Rub a thin layer of Vaseline on the pad and hold it against the foot while you fill. Equipack CS sets in 1 minute. Once it's set, just release the pressure and remove the pad. To remove tackiness, rub dirt on the fill and set the foot down.